Guys, I am back again and I'm using all the fluorescent pigments today from TLP. So let me just pop the bubble, and I'm using the black pillow today. So I think it will stand out really nicely when you use the black pillow with the fluorescent. So let's get started. So I have mixed, I've got my list ready what I have mixed. So Funk, which is purple, I have mixed with the Sequins. So I have mixed all the those fluorescent with one of the pearl pigment to give a little bit of shimmer through. So I'll put down everything on description box so you can refer if you like to do it. So the first I'm putting Funk, which is with Sequins. So you can see it's shimmery, it's not just fluorescent color, so it makes a little bit shimmer, well, as much as you add. So what I'm doing, I'm going all around it. So I got that one, Funk. This is Groovy. You can see how shiny Groovy is as well, because I have mixed with Simplicity. So this is just going like this. The next one is what's this called? Boogie, which is mixed with Simplicity as well. Just a little bit more this side. Then I have got Techno, which is mixed with Simplicity as well. Okay, and this is Grunge with Pinot Gris. So you can see how shiny it is, very shimmery. And then it's going, and I'm using black cell activator. Oops, I just dropped an extra bit there, never mind. Just wondering, is this thing or just, and I just paint. Alright, so now the black cell activator. So let's make a bloom with this, and I'll try swipe later on as well. I can hear my son. And that's enough. So let's blow it then. Give one more this way. So you can see, I'm just going to wait a little bit until it comes back everything in the middle, and then I'll start spinning it. and then tilting. It seems like everything comes in the middle, so it's time to swipe. Messed up there. Just going to give a little blow there. Yeah, I come in the middle. Just a little bit tilting, not doing too much because I like it the way it is. Just don't like this part here. The rest is, it's all TLPs, no tube paint at all in this one. Stop, come back. That's it, I'm just going to leave it. Now you can have a close look and I'll give you another look as well. It is so sparkly, shimmery. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll give you a close look as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.